Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Thank you so much for watching my video daily. It means a lot to me if you can also subscribe my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to do unboxing. Hold please. Oh my god, okay. It's not Louis Vuitton. I'm starting saving money right now because only in my own business I need a lot of cash flow. But I can still do unboxing. So let's check it out. What are we doing today? The drill. Before we start today's video, let's check out my skincare company, Yibu Beauty. You guys know that recently I've been doing a lot of Disney content, and because honestly, I need content, right? If I'm gonna release video every single day, I need a lot of different various things, but I feel like it's very important that as a blogger or influencer, you need to do something that you have a passion to or you love to do. So Disney naturally fall on my plate because I love Disney. Even before I doing Disney content, you guys know that I live only 2 miles away. I go to Disney all the time, so I might as well film video. That's why there's a lot of video coming. And then just recently I discovered, which I didn't even know this community. I am so sorry, but now I know. It is a huge community called Loungefly community. And they are the backpack company that they create backpack collaborate with Disney. Like for example, I just did a giveaway a couple days ago. This one, Oogie Boogie backpack. Only get it at Disney California Adventure. And you guys know that for a long time, I either buy designer or I buy completely no brand name. I mean, that's just me, right? But I have to say this backpack, it's actually pretty nice. It holds a lot of stuff. And I didn't even realize how big the community is. So I did a giveaway and have great feedback from everyone. So now I order 3 more Loungefly backpack. So I want to open this up. So this is my first one. Oogie Boogie, hi! Okay, so now I'm gonna open what I purchased. Oh my god, this is so heavy. This one, I already opened it. And I did a little TikTok video to it.
It's official, I'm starting collecting the Loungefly mini backpack. And check this out, I got this limited edition, sold out piece everywhere. And are you ready to take a look? It is Maleficent and Sleeping Beauty.
But now I want to do an official open to show you guys. So this is just a one piece coming to the regular standard mailbox like that. I mean, nothing fancy. I mean, you know, just stuff in here. And then they sent me this little card right here, and it tells you their company is special. Loungefly, they selling their backpack in various channels. Not only at Disney, on some online store, and they are everywhere. I'm still new to this. If you guys are loyal purchase for Loungefly, leave a comment below where you can buy them. Because one thing I noticed that a lot of the backpack Loungefly is not in the Disneyland or California Adventure, which is very annoying because I get 20% off. I will much more prefer buy this at a Disney so I can get my 20% off. But that's fine, you know. And they're doing a lot of different activities. So this one I bought it from CordysCorner.com. This is where I purchased from. And from what I learned is a lot of limited item. They do pre-order and drawing. It's very complicated. I still don't know how I don't even know how I got this one, honestly. So anyway, let me show you this. I'm actually pretty excited about this though. This is the Disney Villains series, Maleficent and Sleeping Beauty. Look at her eyes, Maleficent's eyes. It's just staring at you. Hi. Wow, it's a really pretty. I mean, I I love the villain more than the princess. I just think villain has so much character, you know. But you only see the villain during the holiday season. I mean, Halloween time. So, okay, so let me kind of give you a standard. Pretty much from what I understand right now, this particular shade of the backpack, it's pretty much standard for all the mini backpack. They use the same body shade, okay? But what is different is the print and they add something special on the top. Even though sometimes this, I'll give you an example, I don't have it, but sometimes you get a backpack like this, right? This is the standard shade, and they put prints on there, but then I think they have a 4 variation of prints, so you can choose which one you like better. So it's actually pretty interesting concept. So let me kind of give you an idea what size is the bag, okay? The length, the bag from the bottom, it's about 9 inches from here. The height, I'm just gonna count from the top, not the handle, just the top right here. It's about 11. The width, it's about 4.5 inches. But the really cool thing is that they actually very roomy. So if you open it, they stuck with lots of paper. I think they do that to hold the shade of the backpack. That's the only reason I can think of it. Because I think it's unnecessary to put that many tissue paper in. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys this inside. All the lining, it actually match the front, the print. So this is Maleficent. So everything in here is a Maleficent related image, right? There's one zipper back here. Let me open this up. And even the zipper print, the fabric inside is also Maleficent too. So I really like the attention to the detail. It's not, I mean, this is $80. Yeah, I think. So it's not going to use the most exotic leather on this. It's just standard, you know, bag. So, but its design is very cute. And like I said, it holds a lot of stuff. And some of the design has a little bit of variation. Like for example, this one doesn't have a side pocket. My Oogie Boogie has a side pocket, which I really like that. The strap here is deformed for the Maleficent. They use the different purple touch around here on the handle. And how I like to wear, I'll show you the picture. I don't like to put it as a backpack. I'm not a backpack person. And to hold this is too hard to hold. I do a crossbody, and that's how I wear it. And that's why I prefer has a side pocket here, so I can just slide my phone in here. It's much more easier. So now in the front, there's a front pocket. And I have to say the front pocket is very handy. I usually, well, since I've been using it for only one time, the only time I put my cell phone, wait, oh my god, I'm speechless, sorry. Oh my god, okay, so I will just open this, right? Oh my god, look at this. Boop. Boop. That is just, it's, you know what? It's a very cute. I have to say they put a lot of thought into design. Super cute. So I was saying that this little pouch here, it holds a lot of items. My phone can go in there, my wallet can go in there, and I put my camera equipment in the back. So there's no back zipper here. It's just a backpack, and there's no special print here either. Sometimes they have, sometimes they don't, and they put a logo right there. Loungefly and Disney, and the zipper does has a Loungefly logo on there. So okay, so this is this. Now let's open the other one, because I remember what I bought, but I can't remember their design. So let's open this up. It was 2-piece. It's much more cheaper doing this than Louis Vuitton. Okay, so open this up. There's 2 backpacks sitting here. Let's open this up. Oh, yes. Yes, I remember now. This is from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Wait, is her name Sally? I think that's her name, right? I hope I say that right. Sally, yes. Just want to make sure I say that right, that's all. Oh, this is super cute. Why is this tissue stuck? Guys, look at the colors. Look at the colors. It is so vibrant. And look at her hand. It's holding, what is she holding on? Oh my god, it's holding the needle so she can sew herself up. Oh my god, look at her face. The detail. Wow, this is very, very nice. And her hands right here. Okay, so the logo is on the side again. And at this time, they have a print of Sally's dress. And I have to say, the material they use for the strap, it's very soft plastic, I guess. It's very, very soft, very cushionish. So when I wear that, it actually doesn't hurt. It feels very, very good. The color they were using is just light blue, kind of match her colors. And again, this is the standard shades. So they didn't make her bigger, they made her just print on the bag, but the specialty is her hands. So let me see the inside. I'm dying to see the inside, what's inside. They also have a zipper back here, and the inside print is the cat. And then the worm, I think. Well, no, it's the bat, and then the circle thing. It's very, very cute. Okay, now I'm, you know that remember I did the Maleficent with her face? Now I'm kind of like, kind of freaking out to see is there anything special in there. No special. But it's still cute. So, I got spoiled from the other one. What do you expect? Okay. Oh, yes! This is the one. Okay. I have to say their website to purchase this thing are very confused. Especially you find the one that is not available, you pre-order. And I just prepaid full amount. And I have no idea I got it or not. There's something I pre-ordered in July. I still have not get that yet. So this is Jack. Oh my god! Okay. Isn't this cute? Oh, it feels so soft. Oh my god. So it's a little bit different than Sally. Hold on. Oh my god! I want to carry this two together. Can I do that? How am I going to do that? So cute! Again, tissue. There's so much tissue. Yay! Same thing, back zipper, and this time inside it's the Pumpkin King. That's the pumpkin in there. So obviously the whole bag is designed with a Jack skeleton, his outfit stripe all around it. That's who he is. And then the skeleton face that he's holding on it is kind of cute. And that's his collar, you know, that thing. Oh my god. And then let's see. You know, it's funny. I feel like this material, it's a little bit softer than this material. I guess it's because the color, by different process, it feels slightly softer. Let me feel the Maleficent one. Now this one doesn't feel soft. It feels a little bit more rough, a little bit. So I guess they are all a little bit different. Okay. So this is the one that my first one is also very soft. So they do use a little bit different material. Earlier we were talking about side pocket. Oogie Boogie has side pocket. I think this is really good because this is how I usually carry the bag. I'll show you guys. I just do it like that. So have a side pocket is so easy. And I just put it back here when I go. So I want to know, all of these three, which one do you guys like the most? I think they are so cute. Okay, I'm very concerned right now. If I'm going to collect this, where am I going to put all this? Because they have so many bags right now. I don't even think I have enough room. I need to be careful about this. Anyway, I was saying that, you know, which one do you guys think is the cutest? Oh my god. Or should I do a giveaway? leave a comment below. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I'm really having a good time unboxing Loungefly mini backpack. They are super cute. Especially if you're a Disney fan, you'll love it. They also made design for different character. I think Harry Potter and different movie and different themes. So you can choose that. You can pick from that one. But I'm more interested in Disney one. So, alright. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.